This is the collection at the moment. This is a Maiwald kit loco from the early 80s. Doesn't run at the moment. The solar engines, Ryder Ericsson, runs beautifully. This is one of Jin's Microcosm OKMO tractors, runs beautifully, water cooled. And this is his first V-twin R29. This has an interesting carburetor, very interesting carburetor, and a float. Then we have a German hot air engine, BOHM, B-O-H-M. We've got a Chinese V-twin flame liquor engine, runs beautifully. And then we've got a couple of solar engines, simple hot air engines. Coming down, we've got the little hit and miss engine. That's a really nice engine. That's a recent one from OKMO with the new base and a single battery encapsulated ignition. We've got one of Jin's beautiful V-twins, runs beautifully, and behind that a Cison 9cc V-twin. There we have Sam, the little 1.5 vertical hit and miss, 1.4 maybe. And here's one of Jin's recent tiny little Stirling engines. Behind there we've got the original 4-cylinder Holt engine that Jin made. Very still available, great engine. And this is the beautifully built MUSA hit and miss engine, about 7cc. The Enjomor hit and miss engine, I've made a few changes to that. The OKMO Microcosm Ryder Ericsson, and the Japanese KYG SE905, beautiful, very well made Stirling engine. This is the side shaft engine, that's the original one. I've got a painted one as well from OKMO models. And then we've got the MUSA traction engine. This is English, built as a kit, which I painted and assembled, runs beautifully. This is a freelance hot air engine from Germany, which doesn't run at the moment. This is another Enjomor, runs beautifully. This little steam car was made about 75 years ago in Christchurch for somebody's kid who gave it to me. Coming down here we've got the Maiwald flame liquor. I've made a tweak to that, is running so well at the moment. And under that we have a German traction engine, model traction engine, kids one. This is the engine I built as a kid in my garage from junk. The original hit and miss engine from Microcosm, made some changes to that. This is a New Zealand manufacturer from the 70s and 80s. This is his steam crane. We've got a cheap Chinese hot air engine, like a coffee cup engine, and behind there we've got a German model engineer's all graphite piston and valve hot air engine. Oh no, it's not, it's a vacuum engine. This is a recent toy hot air engine, runs beautifully. And this is Jin's OKMO models vertical hit and miss engine. And this is Jin's OKMO models Microcosm tractor with the beautiful tracks that isn't actually manufactured anymore. And here is his painted version of the Holt engine, which I've done a few tweaks to. Some English mini engines. This is a hot air engine, and this is a Manson engine. This big heat of the hand engine is Australian, I believe. and this is probably the best heat of the hand engine I've got, which is English. Coming out here we've got the trailer that I built for my models to pull, and some old parts there. Got the model cannon that I built on the lathe a couple of weeks ago. The painted version of the side shaft engine from OKMO Models with the OKMO Models duplex pump. All these engines, every one that works, you will find on my channel, Thomas PCGuru Engines. Look under videos and you'll find videos of each of those running. This is the engine I built during New Zealand's lockdown from just whatever crap was in the garage at the time. I couldn't even go out to get any glues or sealers or anything, screws or anything, so I just looked through the garage at whatever I had. I didn't have a lathe at that time. So my power piston is a rubber seal from behind the headlight of a car that I'd saved from somewhere, and the bearings are from heatsink fans from computers. The wood was sitting around in the garden from an old sun umbrella. The other parts are just whatever I had. This runs quite happily on a little flame underneath it, slowly but happily. That was quite an achievement. That's kind of what started my channel, because that's the first videos I put on YouTube. I've really enjoyed, and I will continue to enjoy, my YouTube channel. I've noticed that it's really hard getting views on YouTube these days. Please like the video, subscribe and comment if you want my channel to continue and to grow, and I'd love to keep sharing stuff with you guys. There is a diesel engine supposedly on the way, but I've been waiting 3 months for it already. A fuel injected diesel engine. I really support the manufacturers and the retailers. Engine DIY, Sterling Kit, Jin from OKMO Models, Microcosm, Cison, and MUSA, which makes fantastic models. I support them all. They're just guys in a hobby enjoying what they do. And that's why I'm usually positive about their models, because I think they've done a great job getting them out there at prices we can afford and enjoy.